welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well today. In this video, we're going to talk about a new crypto trading event that's currently live on Zoomex called the Zero Cost Trading Competition. This event has been getting attention because it combines a large prize pool with trial trading funds provided directly by the platform. Instead of using personal trading capital, eligible participants receive trial funds to join the competition. We'll break down how the event works, what makes it different from regular trading competitions, registration requirements, important rules and deadlines, and the reward structure. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy educational crypto content, trading platform updates, and market-related discussions. And of course, this video is strictly for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video should be considered financial advice, investment advice, or trading recommendations. Cryptocurrency trading involves risk and market volatility, so always do your own research and understand the risks before participating in any platform or event. Now let's get it on. So, Zoomex has officially launched something called the Zero Cost Trading Competition, and the name itself already explains one of the biggest features of the event. Instead of requiring participants to deposit trading capital immediately, the platform provides eligible users with trial trading funds ranging from around $100 to $200. That means participants can explore the competition environment using platform-provided funds instead of personal funds. According to the event details, the total prize pool for this campaign is $600,000, making it one of the larger promotional trading events currently running in the crypto space. Now, obviously, events like this are designed to attract new users and encourage engagement on the platform. But what makes this interesting is the structure. Unlike standard leaderboard competitions where everyone uses their own capital, this one emphasizes trial participation and competitive rankings using allocated event balances. The competition also includes individual rankings, arena-style competition modes, reward distribution systems, performance-based standings, and limited participant slots. So there's both a competitive element and a structured event environment built around trading activity. One reason events like this attract attention is because they allow users to experience trading interfaces and competition systems without immediately committing large personal capital. For beginners, events like this can sometimes serve as a way to explore how trading platforms work, understand position management, learn about market movement, experience volatility real time, and observe trading psychology under competitive conditions. For more experienced users, these competitions can become strategy-based environments where traders compare performance against other participants. Another aspect that stands out is the arena mode. Arena-style systems usually introduce more direct competition mechanics instead of simple passive leaderboard tracking. That can create a more dynamic experience compared to traditional ranking-only events. The event also highlights transparency and fairness in the competition structure, which is important because trading competitions often rely heavily on clear ranking systems, reward rules, and eligibility requirements. Of course, users should still carefully review all events conditions directly on the official page before joining. Now let's go over to the important dates and event information. According to the official details, the registration period starts on May 14, 2026 at 10 UTC and registration closes on May 19, 2026 at 10 UTC. However, there's an important detail here. The event is limited to only 2,000 participants. That means registration could potentially close earlier if all available slots are filled before the deadline. So if someone plans to participate, timing may matter because limited entry events can fill up quickly depending on overall interest and platform traffic. Now here are some important eligibility requirements mentioned for the competition. For the registration requirements, only new registered accounts can participate. KYC verification is required. Participant slots are limited. Users must complete the registration process during the event window. KYC or identity verification is commonly required for platform events involving rewards, withdrawals, or competition eligibility. So users should expect standard verification procedures before joining. Now let's talk about the reward structure. The total event prize pool is listed as $600,000. The competition also mentions individual reward system, arena competition rewards, and withdrawable reward reaching up to $2,000 for certain rankings or achievements. Now obviously, competition outcomes depend entirely on event performance, rankings, and the official reward mechanics. But from a structural standpoint, the platform appears to be combining trial fund participation, competitive trading, leaderboards, and reward incentives into one large promotional campaign. Another thing worth mentioning is that events like this can create a very active trading environment because participants are all competing within the same time frame. That means rankings can shift quickly, volatility may impact standings, and trading decisions become part of the competitive strategy. For viewers who are newer to crypto trading, this is also a reminder that trading competitions are very different from long-term investing. Competition trading environments are often fast-paced and highly active, which means risk management and emotional discipline become important factors even when trial funds are involved. For anyone interested in checking out the event details directly, the registration page is available through the official Zoomex competition link. Official event page, Zoomex Zero Cost Trading Competition. Again, make sure to read the full terms, eligibility rules, reward conditions, regional availability, and platform requirements before participating in any event. And remember, participation spots are limited and registration may close early if capacity is reached. Overall, the Zoomex Zero Cost Trading Competition is an interesting example of how crypto platforms are experimenting with event-driven engagement and competitive trading systems. Instead of focusing purely on deposits, this campaign introduces trial fund participation combined with competitive rankings mechanics and structured rewards. For users exploring trading platforms, events like this can also provide insight into exchange interfaces, order execution systems, trading environments, and competition-based event structures. At the same time, it's always important to approach crypto trading carefully and responsibly. Market conditions can change quickly and no competition or event removes the risk associated with trading activity. That's why research, education, and understanding platform mechanics remain extremely important before participating in any crypto-related activity. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more crypto platform updates, educational trading content, and market discussions. And let me know in the comments, what do you think about trial fund trading competitions like this? Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.